Well, we're on the shoulder of the road. Find out what's going on right after this.
Rider is a trucker, and he likes to do vlogs. Yeah.
Yeah, we're here on I-22. I guess we're going east. This outside of Memphis into Mississippi, where we're about to exit 26. It's exit 26, about a mile away. Yeah, we had a trailer tire blowout. Another trailer tire. I didn't hear anything again. All I seen was smoke coming out, and I checked my mirror. And the time I got pulled over, it was already almost off. So that's what it looks like right there. And yeah, I would try to make it somewhere, but I don't want to tear up the rim. And man, it's a very, very slim shoulder we're on. Not a lot of room. I got my triangles out. And traffic, man, just crazy. It's crazy. They're just buzzing on by. Most of the trucks are getting over when they can, but it's pretty busy. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon. So it's busy and a lot of traffic. Sometimes trucks can't get over, man. It's just crazy. Sitting in the truck, man, it's rocking. Here's what's left of the tire. This is where it came off and it rolled over here. And yeah, not salvageable. No recap on that tire, that's for sure. So we called road assist. They got somebody on the way. I don't know what it is about Swift. That's a third Swift that didn't get over when they had room to get over. I don't know if it's just Swift or just whatever. So kind of aggravated. Had the day already planned out where I was on the parking and everything, and shot that to crap. By the time I get out of here, there's not going to be a lot of parking. So I don't know. We're just going to have to start looking. As soon as we get out of here, we'll start looking right away. So now we play the waiting game and try to stay out of harm's way. Serviceman came out here already. He got here quick. Got my tire over there, but he set up some cones trying to keep people away from that side, and somebody knocked that one over, and they knocked one, they hit it, it went under the trailer over here. Man, be careful. See somebody on the side, at least slow down. If you can't get over, at least slow down. It's ridiculous, man. It's crazy. Alright, got old James here from Southern Tire Mart.
Yes, sir.
Came out here and rescued me, man. He was fast. I turned around, he scared me to death when he backing up. I just happened to look over there and he was backing up. Oh man, all right, he's here already. That's James. He's over here from Southern Tire Mart there. You out of Memphis?
Yes, sir. Memphis, Tennessee.
Man, that was fast.
Yes,
Got here fast. I appreciate it, man. I know these people are crazy. He had them cones set up on the road over there trying to get more room over here. Yeah, they were knocking the cones over. They had one that they knocked it down the road there, and they kept running over it and everything. So I went over there to try to get it out of the road, but they knocked it over there in the median, and I said, I'm not going to cross this road. Crazy. He just about got it done. He just jacked the axle up. Don't even have to take the wheel off. Just got the old tire off and grease up the wheel there and put that tire right on. I'll be out of here shortly. So yeah, good old James. James to the rescue. Yeah, it's got to be the fastest man in South as far as tires and stuff. He was here in the nick of time. He placed the tire. I'm about ready to go. Just got to do paperwork. Good old James, man. This dude. And these people are still driving like idiots. Yeah, we're almost out of here. We got our tire on. We got our triangles over here under our arm. I'm getting ready to get out of here, man. I swear, that's the fastest thing I've ever been repaired on the side of the road. So, props to James and the company he works for there at Southern Tire Mart. We're getting out here in a timely fashion. And, crazy. I just seen something here behind the truck. See that? That came off one of the cones that he put out in the road. So I just now noticed that. Hey, James! I'm gonna show James. I think this part here goes to your cone. Don't that go to one of your cones? They knocked that thing right there on the catwalk.
Hey.
That's crazy, man.
And they're going that fast and they go all the way up there.
It's crazy. Take the risk of life every day for this stuff, man. It's crazy.
Right about there. Appreciate you.
All right, man. Have a good one. Thanks. Yeah, it's crazy, man. So we're getting ready to get out of here. I'm putting these things in my side box first and get on down the road. We're ready to get out of here. Man, crazy. Fastest I've ever been repaired like that. So thanks to James. Here's some water for the trip. We're going to try to get down to the Loves. We're about an hour away. I don't know if there's going to be any parking down there, but we still got a lot of hours left. I think we can make it. If we can't get parking there, we're going down into Alabama. There's a lot of places down through there we can get, but we're going to try the Loves first. But yeah, man, it's crazy. These people drive like maniacs. Of course, the shoulder's already thin enough, and it's bad. They just can't get over it sometimes, and I understand their problem. I have that problem too when you see a truck on the side of the road and you got people to your left, they won't let you get over or anything. So what are you going to do? You're going to have to stay in that lane and try to get as much room as to the person on the side as possible. I'm going to get out of here while the getting is good. Yeah. But man, that's crazy. Crazy stuff. I feel sorry for people like James, man, have to get out there on the side of the road like that and risk their lives to help people out. It's crazy. And them knocking that piece of that cone up on my catwalk like that. And it could have knocked out a mirror, it could have knocked out a window or something. But here we go, we can get over it. This trucks are letting me over. Man, yeah. Alright, let me get on down the road. So please subscribe and hit that bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Well, everybody have a good day and stay safe.
His name was Pale Rider and he runs across our land. He spends all day on the interstate with a gear shift in his hand. At night he vlogs to tell us all the things that he has done. He's running around the USA and he's just having fun.